Digitization of cities brings the needs of new IoT equipments installed into the smart city pole to enable the collection of data to support urban mobility, security, touristic navigation, increase the comfort and safety of citizens and visitors, as well as fact that every point of connectivity in the city IoT infrastructure and communication bus brings the necessary IoT data on the edge layer of smart cities. Smart City Pole brings a new perspective on how to combine multiple services into one product, including dynamic advertising tool, camera, with detection and video surveillance of gender detection, crowd detection, age structure of the crowd group. Security, camera video surveillance. Security, SOS button press. Air quality monitoring. Speaker. Secured and controlled Wi-Fi. Touch panel with passenger info system. EV charging of e-bikes, e-scooters or other devices. Hardware prerequisites and starting points for effective data flow. All devices are very flexible both in terms of performance, technical parameters e.g. temperature, operating range, and in the number and type of input and output ports, necessary hardware communication interface for connecting other hardware and software peripherals. We produce those devices in-house, or we select devices agnostically from the manufacturer. It is operated on a Linux open-source operating system, and many of them offer hardware customization options. Computational power of the device in combination with its compact dimensions, e.g. can be mounted on a DIN rail, and a wide selection of I/O and communication interfaces makes it an ideal solution for use in a wide range of spectrum of automation and IoT projects, including urban applications. IoT equipment like sensors, cameras, radars, actuators are conveniently located directly in the facility to maintain its physical protection. In most cases, we appropriately monitors the physical access to the device itself, opening sensor door, cover opening sensor. Thanks to other technologies, PLC Ethernet bridge, IoT sensor gateway, we can create for all of them a strong communication node. We use EYES plus EBI, fast and efficient tool for developing integration interfaces of Smart City Pole. Designed primarily for the Internet of Things IoT. Visual programming interface for quick creation of interfaces of your applications to IoT. Application layer level integration. Integration at the edge layer level. Without being able to integrate and aggregate data into one complete IoT platform to integrate into another Smart City IoT ecosystem, the role of Smart City Pole is not complete and does not play its most important role. And here is the role of infrastructure intelligence solution of exceptional value and know-how for all our partners.